Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you some simple ways to fix Telegram desktop when it is not working properly. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet and that other websites or applications are working normally. Next, close Telegram desktop completely and open it again. Sometimes simply restarting the application can fix temporary problems. Now, let's check if Telegram has an available update. Open Telegram desktop, click the menu button in the top left corner, and go to Settings. From Settings, open Advanced and look for the Update section. If an update is available, follow the instructions to update Telegram to the latest version. After that, restart your computer. A simple restart can sometimes fix temporary problems with applications and the Windows system. Once your computer starts again, open Telegram desktop and check if the problem has been resolved. If Telegram is still not working, you can also check your Telegram settings and make sure everything is configured correctly. These simple steps can help fix many common Telegram desktop problems. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.